So the admission to Nijō Castle is like $10 US, 1,300 yen. There are only discounts for elementary school students and high school students. So if you're a university student, you have to pay the full admission. I guess it's not that terrible. I never heard of this place, so please do not touch the buildings. So I'm not sure what to expect, but I'm hoping it will be very nice. So let's see it. So when you enter, the route arrow is pointed to the left, and to the right you have some resting area. So let's see. It's so cool. I didn't know much about Japanese castles, and last night, as I couldn't fall asleep, I randomly found an anime called Apothecary or something like that. I used to love anime when I was a teenager, and I haven't been able to like find any that I enjoyed for so many years. And yes, last night, I don't love it, but I think it's really enjoyable, and it's from some emperor's era in Japan, and actually it's set on like very much this kind of courtyard of an emperor's concubine, like houses and pavilions, whatever. And it's actually so crazy because I watched 5 episodes yesterday, and now I'm here and it looks exactly the same. So I'm really enjoying that. The paper walls, you can see in between the studs, they tear and then they just stick them together. It's pretty cool. It's okay, don't worry. Copper galleries. It's very cool. I've never seen copper galleries, especially in the square ones. Looks beautiful. Must have been expensive. But I guess in Europe we have lots of copper roofs, and they really do look beautiful with the green. So. Cycads are a type of ancient palm. I've never seen them being protected like this, but I've seen them grow in similar. Oh, actually no, because I'm much more north now, so that makes a lot of sense. But a lot of them are native to Japan, actually. Not sure what these cages are, but there were some black ones there over windows. There's this plastic bamboo one here. First I thought it was a bicycle stand, but doesn't seem like it. So if you know, I would like to know too. How the bamboo ages very beautifully. Tea house. Oh nice, they have a cool tea house here. Yes. Some beautiful scenery. Oh, they opened it, probably have a special time. I guess it's open. Oh, I have 1 hour, so I guess I'll go. LO, I don't know what LO stands for, so maybe I don't have time. Fuck. I will run and see. I would like to have some tea here and maybe, or, because I don't know if I'll be here for 3 more hours, which is when they reopen. Yeah, I'll try. It's all good. No touchy.
Even te houden bij een pad.
So I gave up on tea because I wasn't sure if it's open for half an hour or 1 hour, but I was sure that I have 3 hours of sunlight, and it looks like a very large place. So I just kept walking, found a nice watchtower, and from the watchtower I saw the sakura grove, and it's definitely starting to blossom. So I'm gonna try to make my way there and enjoy the sakura grove for the first time. I've seen some here and there, but not actual planted grove. And yeah, I didn't know that they had so many colors and they were planted together, so that's cool. Because I only seen pictures of like unicolor pink ones, but this one seemed to be like darker magenta, pink, and the traditional pink you think of when you think sakura, and white ones too. So that's nice. So you can guess, are these plums or are they cherry trees? I think they're plums based on the trunk. So I think cherry trees have a much smoother trunk.
In the back corner behind there were the tree that's under the. There used to be a pine tree there.
Single trees have white and pink blossoms, and they don't look grafted on, so it looks like they change colors. Very cool. bamboo. So you keep it beautiful by cutting off the tops. It branches out more and keeps the shape.